Let's talk about our first point, which is enabling people to meet and collaborate from home, or of course from the office too. How do we enable that collaboration? Well, we want to break this down into three categories, right? We first have our information workers right here. Information workers are the people who are going to be working in the office. They're going to be driving your reports. They're going to be creating all of your Excel spreadsheets, really working out of the Microsoft desktop app environment, right? But then we also have first line workers. These are people out in the field. Maybe they work mostly from tablets. Maybe they never need to use the desktop applications of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Perhaps they'd only be good with cloud apps. They just need to get online. And then, of course, we have our governed users, which are healthcare, schools, government, and any other regulated industry. So we like to break them down into these three categories here. So information workers, they can do all their meetings, collaborate on files, and access dashboards and flows right from within Microsoft Teams. And we're going to go into what that looks like too. First line workers have a digital tool right on their phone or their tablet or even their computer with the ability to communicate with their entire team and do shift scheduling, reports, audits, anything that first line worker might need to do. And of course, healthcare workers can use Teams for things like telehealth scenarios, as well as virtual doctor visits with patients. Teachers can use Teams for remote learning with their students, complete with video classes and integration into the learning management system that is soon built into Teams as part of your subscription. So we're going to go all through this, but the My365 solution and the whole Microsoft ecosystem is really taking into account these three categories of individuals here. So Microsoft Teams is the hub for teamwork in Microsoft 365. It brings together everything a team needs into one place. Powerful online meetings and calling with video and screen sharing, much like we're doing right now. Chat and collaboration with people inside and outside your organization, even if they don't have a Microsoft account. Fully customizable with the ability to integrate your own business apps and your own workflows. So if you've ever used a legacy type of workflow or a system like Zapier or IFTTT, all of that is natively integrated. So we can help your business make if this, then that decisions for just about anything that needs to be automated. And it will all aggregate right inside the Microsoft Teams application. So how do we actually use these features? How do we actually integrate with all the things that are available in Microsoft 365? So if we wanted to have a conversation with a colleague or a customer, participants can actually come in. They could be inside and outside your organization, much like a Zoom or a GoToMeeting or any other service that you might use. You're also able to hold team meetings internally, instantaneously, to have brainstorming sessions, chalk talk syncs, internal leadership discussions, whatever it might be, or even the CEO's address as the State of the Union for the company, right? Or you could deliver training workshops, right? You could have step-by-step training guidance with features like laser pointing and e-learning built right in all those forms. The benefit is all of these tools are available from any device, anywhere, anytime. It does not matter which platform you're accessing them from. Collaborating with people inside and outside your organization has never been easier with Teams. With one-on-one group chats, you have the ability to chat in Teams. It's fast, intuitive, and it's really easy to adopt. It's pretty much just like text messaging, if you've ever done that before. You can chat with your colleagues one-on-one or pull together an individual group of up to 250 participants in a chat. Those people can be inside your company, outside your company, and you could be sharing content back and forth. It'll also allow you to do things like screen sharing, promote a chat to a phone or video call if you need to. So maybe in the middle of a chat, you decide, I really need to just call this person. Well, that chat is easily converted into either a video or an audio only meeting right from the context of the chat that you're already in. Of course, a big function that everyone is always wondering about is what about co-authoring? So co-authoring is a huge focus of Microsoft 365. With Microsoft 365 and in Teams, you'll be able to co-author with up to 300 participants at the same time in a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint document, simply because it's stored in Teams. So really helpful features here. You don't have to worry about where is my file stored? How am I going to get to that? Do I need to share it with this person? Does this person have access, right? All of those points are taken care of for you throughout this process.